Hi, I'm Sandy, and in this video, I'm gonna show you some texting secrets, especially what to text a guy you like. Look, I totally understand your situation. Actually, one of my female friends have had the same issue. She has no idea what to text an attractive guy, and for her, it's quite frustrating. Then I've had the same issue with a girl I was seeing. I remember how I lost interest. I mean, to me, she was boring, and honestly, it was quite strange. But now I know. Back then, her text game was zero. So in a moment, I will tell you the exact male psychology behind it, why aren't they doing it, and what should you be doing to get their full attention, to make them fall for you via texting. I have put a bonus at the end of the video, so be sure to watch the video till the end. Are you ready? Pay close attention. Method number 1. Find something both of you are common about. The class you're both in. Maybe both of you like the same TV series, or maybe both of you are a Seahawk fan. You can just talk about anything. Possibilities are endless. Okay, you have to find something common. But on a side note, do not ask general questions like how was your day? How are you? What's up? You have to be specific. Specific something like which team do you think will win the Super Bowl this year? Get it? Simple as that. So let's jump on to second method. Everyone likes to talk about themselves. You're gonna ask him something about him you're curious about. So if you want to be interesting, you have to be interested first. So let's just say you saw him with the same t-shirt many times. You can ask him, what is the story behind your t-shirt? By doing this, you're gonna make them think that you think they only have few clothes. This will subtly put you in their head. What this will do is you will be in their thought. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna find something that is unique to them, and then you're gonna ask questions on it. And then we're gonna make it a little bit polarizing. By polarizing, I mean be a little edgy. That will make you interesting so that it's not boring. In the beginning, avoid asking personal questions that can make them uncomfortable. So without further ado, let's jump on to method number 3. Tease him a bit in order to incite interaction in him. Don't be afraid to be a little spontaneous. Don't be afraid to tease him every once in a while. Most guys like it when they chase women, and subtleties are gonna make them want to please you even more because you're gonna hook them. So, for instance, let's just say when they say, I had so much fun with the boys at the game yesterday. So, you can respond with something like, what kind of fun did you and the guys have? And winky face. Teasing him a little bit, but in a playful manner. Or you can say something like, were you able to get the ball in the hole in this whole time? And then a winky face to let them know you're joking. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. In reality, it's more of a process than just a quick fix. And one video is not enough for you to completely take over the situation, but it will put you on the right path. And if you are really serious about getting that guy you have a strong chemistry with, you can check out Texting Chemistry. It's a complete step-by-step system that will teach you how you can make a guy fall for you with just few simple texts. It shows you the number one mistake women make and how you can avoid it. Honestly, it frustrates me how simple mistake can end such good chemistry, and there's not much information out there to help you. Nevertheless, this is just my recommendation. You don't have to follow it, but I have to tell you, I was amazed by how it helped my friend Anna to get the person of her dreams. And if you do decide to check the system out, click the link in the description. You will get a special discount at checkout, which will end soon. So, do not miss out on the opportunity. Get the man of your dreams. Until next time.